This beautiful phone case was made using masking tape and paint. The good thing about it that it is disposable and you can make it in no time with not much material and effort used. Watch this video to see how I made this beautiful phone case. So first I'll take this masking tape. I'll start from one edge. Then I'll put the tape on the other edge. So we got this space is just about the size of this tape. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna little bit overlap go in the center. So a little bit more like this. Then on this end, just like that. Because I need to fix this edge here. Same thing here, just gonna fix it. Yes. So this particular design is very easy to do, and you can change it as often as you want. It doesn't cost much, it's just a little bit of material and some time. So I'll shape this edge now, just cut along the edges. So this particular phone, like this back cover basically is removable. So to cut the holes it will be slightly easier, but for phones that do not have easily removable back covers, then you can just have to you'll have to just cut around the camera and flashlight. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this cover. So this is how the cover looks like right now. I'm gonna do, I have to cut this hole. So I'll take a knife and then cut around it. There you go. So next one, you just have to be careful not to cut your finger. Then I'll take it's not done properly since it is a smaller hole. Okay, so this is how it looks like now. So for phones that do not have easily removable covers, you can just leave the cover on and then cut around it very carefully. Normally the lens and the flashlight, as well as the some of the phones have fingerprints, so they are a little bit like higher than the cover, so it is very easy to cut around it, but you just have to be very careful. All right, let's decorate this one now. So I'll be using this acrylic paint, this gold color, and you can use any color basically that you like. And you can use any color tape. You can also use black or any other color electrical tape. I'll be doing a video on that one pretty soon, so make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. Anyway, let's decorate this one. So I'll take some paint, not too much, just a little bit, and I'll use this Q-tip just like that, and then start decorating. You can do any design you want, like even the simple lines will look great. So as I mentioned, the good thing about it, like whenever you want to change it, just remove the tape, discard it, and make a new one. It doesn't take long. It's just the first time might take you a little bit longer, but once you do it, the next time it will be very easy. You can also use nail polish instead of paint. And for girls, every time you're going to a party or wedding, you can decorate it using the nail polish that you're using on your fingernails, or you can use a color that matches the color of your dress. So just keep doing it. So just if you want, you can give a little bit of touch on the edges, but don't go too far on the edges, and you will put paint on the phone that you don't want to do. So I will leave it to dry. It will take probably 5 to 10 minutes, and then it will be ready to use. So let it dry. So our case is dry now, and I'll put it on the phone. Wow, looks beautiful, amazing. Just the edges, you need to just make sure, just press it with your finger. It will last for a while, and then you can change it. Isn't it awesome? So make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.